Hello everyone, my name is Bradley Hoyos and welcome to my channel. I'm your real estate agent in Southern California with eXp Realty, and today I'm going to tell you guys exactly how much I made through my first referral commission check. A couple weeks back, I made a video on how do referral commissions work for real estate agents and how you can take advantage and start using some of those to grow your business and grow your income. So as a follow-up video to that one, today I'm going to tell you guys exactly how much I made my first commission check. And this one I actually got it at the end of April. So it's been almost a month since I got my check, and I figure since I'm telling you guys exactly what the life of a real estate agent is, then I should definitely include these numbers in here because I am definitely including this money into my budget. And I think it's just good to know for new agents because there's not only one way to make money as a real estate agent. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll make sure to link it up here so you can watch it. So pause this video right now, go watch how referral commissions work first, and then once you're done with that, then you can come back and finish watching this video. So before further ado, let's just get into it. As you guys already know, I got this referral check by sending a client to an eXp agent in San Diego who took care of this client. She's a buyer's agent and then found him a home. So after they found my friend a home, because I referred them the client, then they had to pay me a referral check. And we agreed for that amount to be 25%. So here is the breakdown of the numbers, and I'm gonna put them right here on the right. This was a single family home and the sales price went for $665,100. The buyer's commission agent, so my agent's friend commission, was 2.5% of that. So if we make the math, 2.5% of $665,100 comes to $16,625.50. Now this was the gross commission to my agent friend in San Diego. Out of that commission, we negotiated 25% for the referral. So 25% of the gross commission comes to $4,156.88. And now that one is my gross referral commission. Now pay attention to this number. We're not gonna talk about my friend's commission because I wasn't allowed to see that. And if you want to see a breakdown of a full buyer's agent commission, you can watch my video that I made like a couple months ago, I believe, and I'll link it up here as well. But we're gonna focus on the $4,156.88 because that is my gross commission as the agent who referred the client to the other agent. Now, as you guys already know, this is just the gross commission, and we're gonna start cutting this check up in a million little pieces because, as you guys know, the gross commission is really not what I end up making. And of course, if you've seen my video of my sales commission, then you are about to see how much it gets cut. So let's get to those discounts right now. Now, before I even get to see this money, my brokerage, eXp Realty, they already took a cut out of it. Now, there's a capping on the amount of dollars they can take from my commission, and that is capped at $16,000. And because I haven't really reached $16,000 in commission yet, then they're still taking every time I get a paycheck. So in this case, they took 20% because that is a split, 80-20, right? So 20% of the $4,156 comes to $831.38. In addition to that, we have a risk management fee of $25. And now this one would have been $25 had I made the whole commission myself, but because I split it with the other agent, then they're only charging me the 25% of that. So 25% of 25 comes to $6.25. And on top of that, we have also what is called a broker review fee, which are just a standard transaction cost for every transaction that we do under eXp Realty. And that one is $40. But again, 25% of $40 is $10. So we have in just broker fees $6.25 and then $10. The one good thing about referral fees that I realized after I got my commission check is that my mentor fee was waived. So in addition, it should have been, another 20% on top of that, but because my mentor fees got waived, then I didn't have to pay anything to my mentor. So by adding all those three deductions up, the total amount of deductions for the broker comes to $847.63. Now, when we subtract that number from my gross commission of $4,156.88, my net commission after broker deductions comes to $3,000 $309.25. But as you guys already know, that is not the whole picture. On top of that, luckily this is still, the next one is still for me, but I don't get to see it on my paycheck. Like the equity program that I enrolled with through EXP, which allowed me to buy EXP shares at a discount, gets deducted before I get my paycheck. So this one is 5% of my net commission check. So that comes to $165.46. So when we subtract that number from the net commission, that comes to $3,143.79, which is exactly what I got in my breakdown for the commission check, which is what I actually got deposited into my bank account. Now you must be thinking, wow, $3,143 is pretty good, right? Because you made like $4,000 as gross. So really it was about 75% that you got at the end of the deal. But that is not really it, because there's one big thing that we're still not accounting for, and that is taxes. Now, I like to be relatively conservative with my tax estimation, so last video I did 30%, and so I'm gonna keep that 30% and use it for today's video. So 30% of $300,143.79 comes to $943.14. And again, that magic word, when we subtract that number, then my actual net commission after taxes comes to $2,200.65. And because I love percentages, that really equates to 52.94%, basically 53% of my gross commission. So crazy, right? Like thinking about it, like I got $4,000 as gross, but in reality, after all the deductions, all the broker fees, and all the taxes, I actually got pretty much half of that. So again, this is not a glamorous business. This takes time, this takes effort, takes a lot of sweat and tears to make a business and to make it profitable. So in the beginning, you might struggle a little bit, and just don't think that you're gonna just like get all this cash and all these commissions and all these checks right off the bat, because as you're seeing from these numbers, like you literally have to chop your commission for referrals about in half, and then when it's a regular sale, like even less, like 40% I believe it was from the last video. And you just need to keep those numbers into account, because the number may seem big and it may seem really exciting when you just calculate the gross, but in reality it is like pretty much half or even less than that. So just keep that in mind as you grow your business, or if you're even thinking about going into real estate. And I hope you find this video helpful. Like it takes a lot for me to just like expose or just like tell you guys all these numbers, because these are really the actual numbers. Like I'm not lying to you, like this is the real deal. So if you're thinking about going into real estate, then definitely take this numbers into account and budget accordingly, because you want to make sure that your business plan is solid and that you don't run into any surprises, and that you may even need to take a loan to like pay your bills. And if you're just a person curious about real estate and curious to know how much real estate agents make, well, there it is. Those are the actual numbers. Of course, more money comes with more volumes of sales, and because I'm just starting my business, I am hoping to grow it, and hopefully these numbers will just multiply as I go through my business. And then of course there is that EXP cap, which is capped at 16,000. I'm making my way through it. I think I'm almost at 10 now. So that is great. So maybe a few more sales and I will be capped, and then EXP won't take that 20% cut. That really hurts. So, well, that is it for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like making these money commission breakdown type of videos. So if you guys did like it, don't forget to please give it a like, comment as well, and subscribe, and also share with your friends, because the more people, as I said, that know this information, the better and more informed we all are. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye now.